I have been asked several times on what was the best thing that ever happened to me. And I have no hesitation to say that I am most grateful that the Lord gave me very loving parents. They made me what I am today. And so when my patients come for the well visits or otherwise, time permitting, I try to steer the patients and give them some anticipatory guidance on how to raise their children up. Early on, I advise parents to show their love by talking to the babies, giving them praises about their cute little fingers and cute little toes, and their beautiful eyes and their beautiful smiles. Do they actually understand what we're saying? I actually think that the loving tones of our voice when we praise the baby is what gets through to them. I also ask the mothers to read to the babies. All studies show that when we read to babies as early as their newborn status, they grow up to have better reading comprehension and better social skills. Reading from real books are said to be more effective than using ebooks. I also tell the parents that they should not speak to their children in derogatory terms like bad boy or bad girl, kabingit sa imo, or pasaway ka, because that will just make them feel low or unworthy. It is very important that we build self-confidence in these children. I feel that the children who get bullied or allow themselves to get bullied are truly lacking in self-confidence, and we should actually be generous for our praises with our children. At a pediatric conference I attended in the U.S., a psychologist discussed children with oppositional disorder, and one of her recommendations was to find 50 things they could find to praise these children. So you see that showing appreciation for the actions of our children, even for simple acts, are truly beneficial. One of the things I really appreciate in my parents is that they never pushed us to get the highest grades in school. They allowed us to learn at our own pace. But they sent us to the best schools that they could afford. We were not rich at all, but I felt this was the best thing that they could give us. My parents stayed away also from punishing us physically. They always discussed issues with us, and as angry as we get with a child, there is really no room for inflicting pain. I do not consider myself a perfect parent. I have gotten angry but can hold off from inflicting a physical punishment. Usually, this blows over and the anger dissipates. My daughter usually would say she is sorry for answering me back. We make up and forget what we squabbled about. Yes, children can get unreasonable, but if we show respect for their feelings, we establish more ideal relationships.